Welcome back to cooking every single recipe in the official Stardew Valley cookbook. Today we're making Blackberry Cobbler. Don't forget to subscribe and vote for what I make next in the comments below. To start this recipe off, you're going to want to combine 1¼ cups all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar, 1½ teaspoons of baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, and ½ a teaspoon of salt. And then you're going to whisk that to combine. Then you want to take ½ cup of frozen butter and grate it on the large holes of a cheese grater into your flour mixture. This is a lot harder than I thought it was, or would be, so I ended up cutting the section I need off, and then when it got too low, I just cut it into small-ish pieces. It worked. You can do the same thing. Once the butter is all grated and put into the flour mixture, you're going to very gently, with just the tips of your fingers, just rub it so all that butter is coated in the flour mixture, and it resembles kind of like a crumble, but like just very gently. You don't want to melt the butter. Now combine ½ cup of buttermilk and 3/4 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Then you're going to take that mixture and pour it over your flour mixture. Then you're going to use a rubber spatula to mix it into like a shaggy dough before switching to your hands to make it so it's all incorporated. You don't want to overmix it though. Then you put it in the fridge while you make the filling. Now, in another medium bowl, you're going to take 1/4 cup of blackberry preserves and whisk it until smooth. Then add 1½ pounds of blackberries and 6 tablespoons of sugar and gently mix it until everything's coated. And then you want to add 3 tablespoons of cornstarch and mix again gently until everything is coated again. Now you're going to grease a 1.9 liter or 2-quart baking dish with melted butter and put in your blackberry mixture. Make sure it's all level, and then you're going to top it by rolling that flour butter dough thing into 9 balls and placing them on top. And then you're going to brush those balls with more melted butter and sprinkle with raw sugar, or you could use brown sugar if you're so inclined. I forgot to I was going to use brown sugar, but I forgot, so whoopsies. Still tasted delicious anyway. And then you can serve it with ice cream and or whipped cream, and yeah, it's good. It's really good. I would definitely make it again to actually not forget to put on the brown/raw sugar. But oh well, it was still yummy. I would make it again. I don't know, like 9 out of 10.